What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Bishop here, aka Alan, and today I'm bringing you a video on the Volkswagen, of course. Volkswagen's not right here at the moment, but got something here to put on the old Volkswagen, if you know what I mean. The old lovely lady got me roof racks for Christmas, so we're going to put them on. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. If you don't do Christmas, hope you have a good whatever you celebrate. I've already pretty much put these together. Pretty simple. I will say it comes with seals, and this little flat piece or whatever is going to go in those tracks there. Here, I'll show you that way. Kind of, maybe, yeah. That way you can kind of see how that goes, and it's got these little cushion feet things. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna put a roof rack on. I don't think it'll be that hard. Probably gonna need another second hand, which is why I got her, and she's Snapchatting me currently. The rears look like they have a locator pin. The fronts do not. So we're gonna go out and put the rear ones on first. If I can get them to these little plug things here to sit. It's a nice view, ain't it? Like that view? I ain't got nothing up my nose. Okay, we're gonna get the seal, these little pads, and a little tool to tighten them down. So we're gonna take this outside. We'll do the back one first, and how you can tell which one's the front and the back. They have these little stickers on the front, right there. Well, not the front, but the bottom. That says which one to go on. Oh, and you get these little stick-on things. I believe all they're used for is noise reduction or wind reduction. You just stick them on. It shouldn't be that hard of an install. So we'll go out there, get this one on. Well, I'll show you how I think. I don't know yet. So just we're gonna find out. Okay, you know, like my fashion, I went ahead and put it on because it was too hard to do and film. These backs have these little locator pins, as they're right there, and there's a hole underneath here. If you have a 2019 Jetta, whether it be a GLI or not, there's gonna be a hole right here, and it goes into that. You're gonna have to loosen these all the way up to get these brackets down before you fit it. It is kind of sketching me out because that's metal on metal right there, but it is what it is. And the same on this side. You're gonna have a little locator pin down right there, and it's back in there. You can't see it. The fronts do not have locator pins, just the rear. And then you just go through and tighten these up, and we'll put the covers back on. Hey, this made me nervous doing so, because it's metal on metal. I don't know how tight you're supposed to get these, but I obviously don't want them falling off. So I'm just gonna go tight. Yeah, why don't you hold that for me? Thank you. That seems pretty tight. The doors do shut, by the way. I did check that. Make sure your rubber feet are actually on there. So we kind of ran out of daylight. It got dark quick. Okay, and then they obviously come with keys that just simply pop on here. And the key. Oh, not like that. Like that, so we'll walk to the other side. Believe it or not, I have not seen one video on how to put these on. I'm just kind of winging it. Oh, wait, let's flip it. Pop it on. And pop it on. Lock it. I don't think she's going nowhere. And to show you that the doors do shut. And you can't back these screws all the way out, so I just backed them so they wouldn't back out anymore. And the reason why I'm putting a roof rack on is because I'm getting a roof box eventually. because I think roof boxes are cool. And you know, when I go on vacation, it'll be useful. So yeah, once you lose these up, you got all this room to play here. How you guys doing? All right. Now that one's loose, and put this in the pocket. I had dropped one of the pads over here. Now, like I said, the fronts have no locator pins, but I guess yeah. So let's go to the front. So we're just gonna have to wing it and just kind of guesstimate, I guess, in a sense.
I think it kind of shows right there.
Yeah, it kind of gives you an idea of where it needs to go. So I'm gonna try and do this without her, so you guys can see. Probably scratch my paint and get pretty ticked off, but she's getting wrapped anyways. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that yet. That was a surprise. Whoopsies. I told him it's not getting wrapped till the summer. Okay, so this is this side, obviously. This pad's missing. You grab the pad out of there, please. It got dark quick. And this is going to be the fun part, trying to make sure it's straight. Oh, that looks about right, don't it?
Yeah, it's on the...
Because this starts to slant, so you can't go too far forward. I'm thinking that might be good on this side. Let's see here. And by using my calculated eyeballs, I would say that is probably not straight, but this stuff's so easy and it's getting dark, I think I'm just gonna bolt her on. Maybe this way, just a smidge. Okay, let's get our trusty dusty tool here. I should have just got my impact gun out and just... Now don't tighten one side all the way up at once, you have to go back and forth because... Are they too close together? No.
I think it says to put it right here.
Nice. I might have just... I don't know what I'm doing. Messing my paint up, I know that much. I'm messing my paint up so you don't have to. Here, watch out. Shoot shots. Mitt. I'm going to take our caps, put them back on. Huh? It is starting to rain. Yes, it is. Good observation. There's one. Shut the door. Key in it. And that is your end result. That's a TikTok guy. Yeah. Okay guys, I decided to come to a car wash, so I actually have some light here so you can actually see it, how it looks. I like it. It looks better once it has a roof rack on it. It does got a roof rack on it, a roof box on it. I like it though. I'll give you guys a little tour of it here. only got up to like 40 miles an hour. I can't really say anything about wind noise. I'm not gonna go on the highway right now tonight. I'll be on the highway tomorrow, so I'll know. I don't think it's gonna be quite as bad as I think it's gonna be. Plus, I'm usually foaming to some music. You feel me? So, ain't gonna matter because I'm listening to music. But I like it. I'm still trying to debate if this is too close, but you don't really have a lot of room to go down here because of slopes. I like it. My only concern about it is, well, one, I wish the mic's not flipped so you can't even hear me. My only concern is like I said, that metal on metal, that kind of concerns me. But this is OEM from Volkswagen. This is not aftermarket. This is Volkswagen's roof rack. So I do wish there was a dowel on the front to locate it as well as the rear. But I understand because you got to have some adjustment. I think this is the first roof rack I've ever installed, so turned out decent. It looks good to me. I'm in a car wash, like I said, because I need some light. I don't know. I like it. I'm happy with it. My car is very filthy and dirty, by the way. Place we live at now has stray cats, so then I have to deal with this crap. It's annoying. So, alright, I think we're going to end the video there. Oh, shut your mouth. We're going to end the video there. You watch TikToks, really?
Yeah.
Again, thanks to the lovely lady for the Christmas gift. She actually got me something else that I'm going to be installing very soon. Going to get a lot of hate for it, but I don't care. It's my car. So that will be coming up soon. Probably, I don't know, it'll be this week. It's New Year's, so I'll be too drunk to do anything. It'll be coming up eventually. Again, I tried my best to do a tutorial on this video. It comes with instructions when you order them. It's not hard, especially the rear. It's a very easy process. Anybody can figure it out. If you guys have any questions about how to do it, leave them down in the comments. I'll help you out in the best of my abilities. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that like. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. There we go. Also, hang on, hold on here.
Please pause.
Please, hold please. I have one, but I'm not wearing it right now. If anybody is interested, of the 1,100 subscribers that I have, if you're interested in it, oh, look at that. Look at that. Hold on, move your hair.
I ruined it.
Oh yeah, it's a Mark 7 on there, and the front's got the front view of it. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I can get it made and get it sent to you. I'd say fairly cheap. So if you want it, let me know. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Hope you guys enjoyed the roof rack. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. Hope you had if you don't celebrate Christmas, hope you had a Merry whatever you celebrate. But until then, we'll see y'all in the next one. Later.